Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and today we are going to study chapter number 10. So, take out your books and open page number 5050. The name of the chapter is Life in the Neighborhood. Before reading book, let's see a short clip.
Mr. John wanted to buy a flat, but his wife was interested in a villa. Mrs. John could not understand why her husband was so keen to buy a small flat, whereas it was so much more comfortable to live in a villa. Mr. John explained that if they decide to live in a villa, they would have a very big garden and lots of open space around their house, but they would be far away from other families. Mr. John liked to live in a neighborhood where he would have neighbors around his house. Good neighbors are very important. Neighbors celebrate festivals together. They help each other. If required, they take care of each other also. The other amenities in a good neighborhood are important services like the hospital, police station, fire station, parks, marketplace, places of worship, and places of recreation. All these are very important to make our lives comfortable. We go to hospital when we are sick or hurt. A hospital has an ambulance to bring sick and injured. The policemen in a police station take care of public safety. The fire station provides emergency services. A fireman is trained to put out fire and rescue people. Parks provide space for playing, walking and relaxing. We get all our essential commodities at the marketplace. Temples, churches, mosques and gurudwaras are places we go to worship. Mrs. John understood what her husband was trying to say and agreed to move into a flat which had a good neighborhood. Recap. A good neighborhood has all the amenities like places of recreation where we can do various things to enjoy and relax, places of worship, marketplace which caters to our daily needs, hospitals, police station, fire station. Good neighbors are also part of a good neighborhood.
So children, what we saw in this video, we saw about who are neighbors and what are the neighborhood places. The people who live near our house are our neighbors. Neighbors help each other, care for each other, share things with each other and celebrate festivals with each other. They are our neighbors. It is very important to have good neighbors. Now, neighborhood places. Neighborhood places, the area around our house. The places that are near our house, that are around our house are our neighborhood places. Now, let's have a look into our book. Take out page number 5050 and open chapter number 10. So children, let's read together. The people that live near our house are our neighbors. As I told you, people who live near our house. Who are they called? They are called our neighbors. They help us, they care for us, they love us. Now, we call the area around our house as our neighborhood. Children, the area which is around our house is called neighborhood. There are so many places around our house. Let's have a look. There are many interesting places and people to see in a neighborhood. Let us know them now. Children, there are so many places in our neighborhood from which our services are fulfilled. Let's have a look at the places. First is market. The market is a busy part of the neighborhood. It has many shops where we buy food, books, toys, etc. Children, you know market is a busy place. Whenever we need anything, where we go? We go to market and we buy our essentials. We buy food items, we buy toys, we buy stationery items, vegetables and many more. A mall is large building with many shops. Children, have you been to city mall? You must have seen there are so many shops in a building. That is called a mall. Mall means a large building with many shops. Now let's see. This picture says I am a stationer, means we collect stationery item from stationer. I am a grocer, I am a cobbler, I am a carpenter and I am a vendor. Okay. Now let's switch to another place. Before switching to another place, let's read a fact. A multi-storied building with hundreds of shops is called a shopping mall. As I told you, what is mall? The same is shopping mall. So many shops in a building is called a shopping mall. Now, railway station. A railway station is a crowded place. The ticket seller sells tickets. The train ticket examiner TTE checks the tickets of the passengers. Porters carry the luggage of the passengers. Children, you know what is railway station? It is the place where train arrives and depart. That's why it is a crowded place, because so many people go and come at railway station. There are so many people who help us at railway station. First is ticket seller, who sells tickets. Second is train ticket examiner, who checks our tickets. Third is porter, who carries our luggage. Okay. Let's have a look to railway station. This person sells a ticket, so he is a ticket seller. He drives a train, so he is a train driver. Guard, passenger, TT, person who checks our tickets. Porter, who carries our luggage. Now let's move forward. Next is petrol pump. It is also called petrol filling station. We fill fuel in our vehicle at the petrol pump. You can fill air in the tires at the petrol pump. Children, have you been to petrol pump with your father or mother? What happens there? We fill fuel in our vehicle. And sometimes we fill air in our tires also. Now let's have a look. A person who fills fuel in a vehicle is called pump attendant. And a person who drives vehicle and get vehicles over there for petrol filling is chauffeur. Now let's move forward, children. Next is bank. A bank is a useful place. People keep their money here. They take it out when they want it. Some banks have lockers to store jewelry and documents. Most banks have an automatic teller machine, ATM, cash point. Now children, bank is a very useful place. You know why? Because we keep all our money, jewelry and documents securely in a bank. Some banks have cash point also, that is called automatic teller machine, ATM. It helps us to withdraw money whenever we need. Now let's have a look at bank. In this picture you can see a bank customer, a teller, manager and a guard. This picture shows of a bank. Now I hope you must have understood this chapter. Now let's do book work of this chapter. Now children, open page number 5454. Let's do our book work. You have to do it in a very beautiful handwriting. Let's see. Question number first, fill in the blanks. The people that live near our house are a dash. Who are the people, those who live near our house? They are our neighbors. Let's see. Neigh, B-O-U-R-S, neighbors. The dash checks the tickets of the train passengers. Who checks the ticket of train passengers? TTE, train ticket examiner. TRAIN, train. TICKET, ticket. EXAMINER, examiner. Third, people keep their money in a dash. Where people keep their money secure? They keep their money secure in a bank. BANK, bank. Now let's see the spellings. In first fill in the blanks, we will write neighbors. N will be small. NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. In second fill up, we will write train ticket examiner. TRAIN, train. TICKET, ticket. EXAMINER, train ticket examiner. Bracket TTE. And in third, we will write bank. BANK, bank. Now let's have a look to question number B. Rewrite the following sentences correctly. We have to rewrite the sentences correctly. First, the bus stop is a busy place. Is bus stop a busy place? No. Which is a busy place? Market. So, the correct statement is the market is a busy place. Number 2, we fill water in our vehicle at a petrol pump. Do we fill water in our vehicle? No, we fill fuel. So, the correct statement is we fill fuel in our vehicle at a petrol pump. Number 3, most banks have a food counter. Do banks have a food counter? No, they have an ATM counter. So, the correct statement is most banks have an ATM counter. Now, let's write question number B. First, the bus stop is a busy place. No, the MARKET, market, is a busy place. Number 2, this statement says we fill water in our vehicle at a petrol pump. Is it correct? No. What we fill? We fill fuel. So, we will write we fill fuel in our vehicle at petrol pump. Let's see point number 3. Most banks have a food counter. Banks have a food counter, children? No, banks have an ATM counter. So, we will write most banks have an ATM counter. Now let's see question number D. Where do you see the following in your neighborhood? Let's see. I'm loving it. Where you see this? In McDonald's. You can see the picture. What it says? It says it's an airport. This sign indicates for hospital. Petrol pump, and this machine is ATM. Let's see. First, McDonald's. McDonald. Second, it says airport. AIRPORT. Third picture, hospital. HOSPITAL. Fourth, petrol pump. PETROLPUMP. And fifth is ATM. Children, now let's do notebook work. You have to do notebook work in a very beautiful handwriting. Let's see. Chapter 10, Life in the Neighborhood. Answer the following questions. In the next line, question number first. Which area is called neighborhood? Answer. The area around our house is called neighborhood. You have to write this answer in a very beautiful handwriting. Now let's see question number 2. Name any 5 items you can buy from a market. Now we will see 5 items which we can buy from a market. Answer. First is medicines, stationery items, clothes, food items and toys. Now let's have a look to spelling each one of them. MEDICINES, medicines. STATIONERY, stationery. ITEMS, items. Clothes. CLOTHES, food items. FWD, food. ITEMS, items. Fifth, TOYS, toys. Now let's switch to question number 3. Which people wear a red shirt at the railway station? Which people wear a red shirt at the railway station and who help us in carrying our luggage? Answer is porters wear a red shirt at the railway station. PORTERS, porters. Now children, I hope you must have understood this chapter properly. What you have to do? You have to do book work and notebook work in a very beautiful handwriting. Thank you.